Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off voice access applications in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. As you can see right here, our voice access is enabled and we want to disable it, turn it off completely. So we need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options here. And under Interaction and Dexterity menu, we have Voice Access. To turn it off, we simply need to open this menu and uncheck this box. Turn off voice access, yes please. And now our application is turned off and it won't turn on even if we want to use commands or shortcuts. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.